He stopped, heart racing, as the ticking grew louder. Was it a bomb? He scanned the street, but no one else seemed to notice. A flash of red caught his eye. An old man with a peculiar hat hurried by, clutching a small, ticking box. Curiosity overpowered fear. He followed the man through side streets and narrow alleys, the city's noise fading into the background. They arrived at a hidden courtyard where the old man opened the box, revealing a delicate clockwork bird. It began to sing, its melody enchanting and otherworldly. The man turned, eyes twinkling, and whispered, "Time is a gift, my friend. Don't waste it." And just like that, he vanished, leaving behind a heart filled with wonder and a lesson never to be forgotten.